What's up, YouTube world? Dropping a new e-bike. I'm gonna make it custom. I'm about to open this boy up and show y'all what it look like. So we about to get into it. Show y'all how we do this. Yeah. Let's see how this boy come out. Do a lot of cutting to get it open. We're gonna show y'all what it looks like. Yeah. Pull him up out of there. Let's get him out of there. I like the color. I didn't think I was gonna get this color. The color is nice. It's a nice white. So that's definitely coming out very good. Very good. Yeah, get out of the box and stuff out the way. Yeah, it's gonna be a little job, y'all, but that's gonna get it. Take a lot of stuff off of here. Get it together. We're gonna test him out. Let's get all the other stuff off the mini boy. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun with this one. Yeah, this is gonna be kind of cool, y'all. We're gonna do some stuff with the little one. I always wanted to do a small one, because I already got the big ones. So we want to see how the small ones hold up. A lot of little straps and stuff in here. Make sure that strap this boy down pretty good. Real good. I got keys with alarm pads on them. That's kind of dope. That's dope. I got so many things to take off of here. It's ridiculous. There's a whole lot of stuff. I gotta make sure I don't cut the wrong thing, because there's too many different straps and I don't know what's what really. that seat on. Stand it up. We're gonna have to adjust it so it could fall over a little bit that way. Yeah, we're gonna get it right. Get it right and tight, y'all. Let me move this out the way. A little bit. Uh-oh, don't let that fall. Don't let that fall. Off of there. We got a lot of little stuff on here. I gotta figure out how it goes and where it goes. It looks like it's a lot to learn on here. Put this thing on a charger. That's what I need to do. Put the battery on the charger. So right now, that's what I need to do. How do I? Okay, that's how we get that battery up and out there. I got another set of keys on my battery. So, I don't know how this even comes out of here. So, let's figure that out too. Don't know how to get it out. No, it's not just a snatch out. It gotta be a certain way it's pulled out. So it's not just about to be doing that. How do I pull this out? Okay, I think I see how to pull it out. Got it. Okay. You gotta use the key. The key pulls it out. So let's see, where is the charger at? Charger port. Got a little bitty charger. It ain't like my big ones, but that's pretty cool. I'm gonna put this on the charger. Let this boy charge up for a few hours. Make sure it's off. In the off position. Figure that part out in a little while. So the fat tire, I'm gonna have to take both wheels off, and I'm gonna take the fenders off too. Yeah, I gotta take the fenders off. Yeah, we're gonna take the fenders off because I gotta put the new fat tires on. I'm gonna beefy it up a little bit. It's gonna be a little different. Hopefully it fits like that too, so I hope everything clear the wheel well so I can upgrade it to a fat tire small e-bike. So that's what we're gonna do with this one. Yeah, we got some new things coming for it. It's gonna be a lot hotter than the average ones you see. Charge this battery up real quick. So, yep, there we go. Put that on my charger. Let that charge up. Okay, got the charger going. Got my pedals. I got my lock. They gave me a lock to come with it. So, couple things. You know, come with a few things. Got manual. You know, got something inside this car. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah, got the thank you card. Oh yeah, that's pretty dope. Come with a lock. Got the pedals. Got a few little accessories. Another set of those keys right there. Allen wrenches. Look like we got some pedals too. You know, for somebody who want to sit on the back of it. What else we got? Oh, we got some little, you know, little light. You know, so you won't get hit. You know, reflectors. Pretty dope. Probably ain't gonna need them. I'm probably gonna beef it up my own way. So, probably do it a little different than the average one. Okay, let's start on this bike now. Let's get it all together. Okay, give me that Allen wrench. Tighten up everything. Need to be tightened. I do got some pedals that I want to see if they work on here, cause they somewhat not fitting on my Sonata Drifter. So what I'm gonna do is see if they fit on there. Some custom pedals too. Yeah, pretty dope. Come with a remote, you know, they light up. But I couldn't get them to fit, you know. I just want to see if they fit. I'm probably not going to leave them on here, because they was for my Sonata Drifter. I just want to see if they do fit. They do kind of fit. I gotta see which one is the left and the right. Let's see. If I leave them on there, then I mean, I could always get some more. I ain't tripping on it. I could put them on there. I might as well. I can get some more. It's not a problem. They're on there just fine. crazy they fit. Yeah, so we got some light up pedals on here already, so that's the first upgrade. So that's hard. That's hard. We got the first upgrade. We got lit up pedals on here. And that's gonna be real cold. That's how cold. Yeah, that don't let them get better than that. That's just sick. That's too sick. That's cold. Yep, let's put the other one on. Yep, so I gotta buy some more for the other bike. Yep, it's all about the accessories. It's always the little small thing. The small stuff bring out the bike. It could be the littlest, silliest stuff, but it'll bring the bike out. It definitely will. Let me go get the wrench that it comes with. Tighten that part up. So we got big pedals. We got some big pedals on here. We good on that part. Got some good pedals on here. I can't believe they fit. That's crazy. It actually did. Yep, so let's turn the lights on. Yep. Yeah, we got lights, y'all. So that's gonna be the coolest little bike already, just off the lights. Just off the lights itself. That's pretty dope. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be coming already. We got the lights upgraded. We about to be out here riding with the lights. So, got the remote. Let's see. Let's see the change. Change the blue. Change it to green. Red. Oh, that's like a nice little blue. We got that nice little lime greenish. That's more of a green too, but that's the lime green. And it goes off music too, so if you hit them with the music or some type of sound, it'll go off. Yo! Yo! CNCB Money Gang! Yeah, that's hard. Yeah, that's how we do it, baby. E-bikes in the house. Yeah, that's dope. Yeah, you know I'm putting the sound system on here too, so this little bike gonna be cold now. Gonna be the coldest one out there. Yep, so let's say the battery. You know, and they got the mochi. Let's see the mochi. Oh yeah. Got the mochi going on both sides, so you know. That's hard. That's hard. That's hard. That's hard on that side. Yeah. That's hard. super bright. I got it at its brightest. And, well, the multis, I can switch them up, you know. Both sides do different things. But I think I gotta have them paired to each other somehow. Let's see. Oh yeah, because I got both of those, so let's see if I change the mode to that. Let me change this mode to the same thing. So the remote can catch both. Okay. So they're both doing the same thing now. So now when I press the modes, it should go in sync. There we go. Yeah. Now they both doing the same thing. It's pretty dope. Then you just press off. Yep, so we got light ups on there. That's gonna be pretty dope. Put the handlebars on there. Let me see if there's another way I can put it on there without, you know, all the extra activity. There must be another way to take this off. Yeah, it is. I'm trying to pull it like that boy was not budging. It's like, nope, that ain't gonna work, champ. You're gonna have to find another way to do it. Okay. I don't think that's the way. I think it gotta go a different way. I think I'm pulling too much or something. Yeah, I think it's more this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and clamp it anyway. Let's go ahead and clamp it in. Just go ahead and do it this way. There we go. So we got that in there. I probably need one of my tools for that part. Let me go get one of my tools because I'm gonna need them for that. see y'all. Yeah, I was digging through some stuff in the back. The lights coming on and stuff. Okay. Ooh-wee. Let's make sure we get it. I think we got it, y'all. So, lock. Yeah, we got to take these off. I hope they fit what I'm trying to do when I put them MGs on here. I got this light thing on here. I want to take these off now, so that's what I'm gonna do. So where's this Allen keys? Yeah, we're gonna take that off now. That's what we doing. We don't want none of that stuff splashing. I mean, this is kind of, it might be okay to keep it, you know, until I get that wheel and see how much clearance do I need to be clearing once I get them wheels. They might be pretty big, you know. They might be pretty big. I don't know how these gonna do me. Cause these is regular bike tires. You know, they not thick at all. I don't wanna do them, especially if they don't be doing that. That light keep coming on by itself, so I'm kinda like, I know I didn't just turn that back on. Like for real. You know what I'm saying? CNCB money gang, you hear me? I ain't turned it on. I'm trying to figure out how to do with these wheels. You know, they got stockings on them. That's the crazy part I'm looking at. These boys got stockings on the feet. So I would have to rip them off. And I don't even want to rip them off. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to rip these off. So, I might need to get my tools so I can take them off the right way. Or not, I ain't gonna use them anyway. I'll probably just cut them off. I don't need them anyway. Yeah, I don't need them. I'm gonna cut them off. Yeah, I mean, it wasn't really much I had to put. I didn't have to do much to put it together. I mean, it was already put together for the most part. already done. You know, had the clamp on there. Basically, it was already done. It was already done, my baby. I ain't have to really do too much of nothing. It was already done. Now I'm just gonna see how high do I want to sit. At this point, that's basically it. When I get on here. So let's see. We got right here. Let's go ahead and line that up a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is let it down. Let's see how tight I can make it. Okay. There we go. Now I can make it as tight as I want. Oh no, this piece gotta go down further. It's not clamping on at all. Yeah, this piece right here has to go all the way down on the bike. So, on that note, I got to push this piece down more. That's what it looks like. I don't want to break it. Yeah, it's not hard enough, but we're gonna get it there. I have to twist it all the way in. Try not to break it though. That's something up that high. You definitely don't wanna break it. I mean, I think it's cool. I think it's cool to be a little bike like this. It's pretty neat. And that's what I didn't want. I don't want it to be overly tight. That's it. It's not gonna. not angled right. It seems like it's angled, but I don't know. It might be angled right. Or maybe that's just how it is. I don't know. We shall find out every little thing about this bike. We should find out pretty soon. You know, the seat is comfortable, but it seems like it's probably a little crooked, maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it was crooked. You know, that's how you gonna fit on there. You know, this right here gotta be tightened up too. This piece, I don't know, it look kind of cheesy. Some of the parts look cheesy. You know, but it is what it is. It's just something to play with right now. But they got a lot of features, you know, to be, you know, a little small e-bike, you know. They got blinkers, brake lights, front headlight, all the different speeds, the modes, a phone charger, charge your phone up. We got front springs and shocks. Middle, you know, we got springs in here too on my seat. This is a little bitty seat. Yeah, I'm a little bit too heavy for that. That won't work. Yeah, that's probably like for the little baby. Somebody you want to put on the back and ride around with. But yeah, for the most part, it's a nice looking bike. I'm gonna have some more updates for it. You know, this is just the beginning. So that's how we gonna rock out. This is just the beginning. There's more to come. Let's see. What is the PSI on here? How can I pump these up to? 35, 45 PSI. Oh, that's not bad. But we're definitely going a bigger wheel. Yeah, we're definitely going bigger wheel, man. Yep, we're going bigger wheel on here. That's gonna bring the bike out when I put the bigger wheels on there. They might stick out about that much. Little fat tires. It's gonna look pretty cool. Yeah. So this would be the first small fat tire bike. I never seen them small with fat tires on. So we're gonna see how that looks. That's gonna look kind of nice. It's gonna look neat. But they say this bike can do about a good 20 miles plus. Got a 15 amp hour battery. Yeah, 48 volt. Charging it up right now. So I will be riding it tomorrow. I'll get some footage on there tomorrow for y'all. And we're gonna do the speed tests and we're gonna see how far this bike go without the battery going out. So yeah, we're gonna do it big, guys. We're gonna do it big. You know, I'm not done with the Sonata Drifter either. So there's more to come for that too. You know, I gotta rim this one up too. You know, I gotta put the reflectors and all of that stuff on here. probably like a different design. You know, I might even take this off because I don't really care for it to be on there. I want to put my own design on there. But if it does not come off, you know, I might leave it on there, you know. Yeah, I don't think it's going to come off. So I'm just going to leave it there and probably decorate around it. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Yep, but this is the bike. There you go. This is the new one, y'all. This is the size. I gotta take something off too, cause it seems like it's rubbing against it. Or maybe that's just how it is. Yeah, maybe that's just how it is. Yeah. I would think so anyway. Cause they got a reader down there, so I guess it reads the bike. Yeah, it looked like it's a little stiff. You know, just rubbing too. Yeah, we gotta get it in motion. We gotta definitely get it in motion. So once I get it in motion and figure everything out, it's gonna be good to go. So I gotta turn this one back on so they both warm together. There we go. Yep. I like it so far, guys. That's the white one. That's it. That's the bike. We gotta upgrade those tires. So I'm gonna place that order, put those on there, and we're gonna go from there. I just hope they really just fit flush without no rubbing or anything like that. I hope I have enough space for the front and back. You know, I don't want it to rub because there's stuff on here that if it goes too far, I see it to catch this nail right here. This screw. So I'm gonna have to make sure. I might even take that screw out and put a shorter one in there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put a shorter screw in there because I don't want it to pop the tire as I ride. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Something new is gonna be fun. Definitely gonna be fun. I might use these on the other little setup I got for that. You know, hopefully they fit in there. Let's see if they fit in there. Yeah, because I got another crank and crank arms for my Sonata Drifter. You know, I got the high end. You know, this is a 52. And they got a 42 teeth on there now. So let's see if these can fit in the arm. You know. But I know I'm gonna put the light up arms in. I just wanna know if these can fit. If these fit, then I could just use these for now. Because I broke one of my pedals on my Sonata Drifter. That's what made me get the lights in the first place. So let's see if these just go on normal. Yeah. And there you go, guys. It fit. I'm like a charm. That's the crazy part. Hey, that works, man. That works very good. Fit right on in. Boom, got a whole new set. So, yeah, we're gonna put these on the Sonata Drifter. Then I'm gonna change it down the line and put those on. So I'm gonna order some more pedals, some tires for this bike, and I'm gonna do some more upgrades for the Sonata Drifter. I got some more coming for that bike, so beware, it's definitely coming. That blue bike. So my cruiser, I had a plan on doing something with my cruiser too. You know, I want to make it an e-bike, or I might want to make it a lowrider. I'm not sure yet, but if I make it an e-bike, I think it'll be cool because I'm gonna put it on the front hub. It's gonna be a front hub, and it's like a kit. It's a kit that a lot of people haven't really used yet. I haven't seen nobody on YouTube promote it or nothing like that yet. So I think I'm gonna buy it and put it on there and show y'all. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty neat, you know, just to make something custom. Cause I make a lot of custom bikes. Got motorbikes, e-bikes. I do a lot of custom bikes. You know, I've been doing it for like 10 years. I make mini bikes. I make all type of stuff. So it's a lot of new stuff that's going to come to the channel. Just the beginning. So shout out to everybody. You know, CNCB Money Gang. You know, that's the channel. AG Stacks. You know, CEO, that's me. You know, I got music. Got content on bikes, cars, everything. I do everything. So I'm gonna get at y'all, and on the next video, y'all see the rest of what I put together with the new e-bike. Y'all have a good day.